Hi, welcome to another episode of Home Studio Workshop. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about singing. There's a lot of mystique and fear about using the instrument that you were given at birth, which is your voice. There is no point, to my mind, in trying, either through training or practice or whatever, in trying to make yourself sound like somebody else. You can't. Sound like yourself. People say, oh, you can't sing. I say, listen to Bob Dylan. Listen to Tom Waits. Oh, Waits sings like this. He ain't going to get a job in the choir singing like that. But he's sold a lot of records and he's changed a lot of people's lives, which is the important thing. Talent, whatever the talent is the ability to communicate, not to copy. If you can communicate what you're feeling to somebody else, then you're doing your job. The secret of teaching yourself to sing is to develop confidence in your singing. It's few little tiny words, but it takes a lot of doing. The first time I ever set foot on a stage to sing lead, I was so afraid that my knees were literally banging together, and that is not a lie. That happened. And I was stunned at the time. What's going on here? And my knees were banging together. It's frightening because you're communicating directly from your heart through your throat out to people, and there's nothing to protect you. But get brave. Practice at home. Sing all the time. And more importantly than I can convey, before you do sing in public or wherever, warm up your voice. What I do now is on the way to a gig or whatever, I sing at least 3 songs all the way through in the car before I even get there. You're not going to wear out your voice. In fact, completely the opposite. You're going to save it. If you don't do that, by the time you've sung 2 songs, your voice will start to crack because it's tired. You have to warm it up first. If you warm it up, and if you're singing in the car, you're not singing the same bang as you will be when you're competing with a band or whatever it is. Warm it up. Another trick you can use is if you're stuck and you find you can't sing a song and you think, oh, why do I always get that bit wrong? Learn it on the guitar or the piano or whatever instrument piccolo, whatever it is you play. Learn it on the piano or the guitar or whatever, and find out what the melody is. You think you know it. There's a song, the Beatles song called Help, which I'm sure you've heard of. Which is a fairly sensible song to be using on a tutorial. But I thought I knew that song, but what I didn't know is that they're singing E all the way through the chorus, and the chords change. Help me if you can, I'm feeling down. It's E all the way through. Never occurred to me. Pick up a guitar, go, what is that melody? Ba, ba, ba. Oh. And for some reason, once you've played it on the guitar, once you've gone into your brain as something like a piano part or a guitar part, then you'll know how to sing it. Why it works, I don't know, but I do know that it does. But then again, at the end, I must say, above all things, confidence. Once you've developed the confidence to sing, then you can. It's a trick in a way, but it's the one thing that makes you sound bad as a singer is being afraid. If you're going, oh, I don't know, I'm a bit scared, then that's what it'll come out sounding like. If you don't get drunk, I know people that do, be confident. Don't be afraid. Go, I'm going to do this, listen to this, and it'll be fine. That's all I know. See you later.